This video will cover EMPower Connect Calibration Menu. The calibration menu can be found by clicking on the F5 calibration button up top or pressing F5 on your keyboard. There are two boxes to note on the calibration menu: Feature Summary and Customer Calibrations. Feature Summary gives the user specific information on the software calibration of the system, such as the can baud rate. I can click here and it will tell me what the baud rate is and what exactly that means. This particular system has an auto baud rate. Other information provided is the J1939 source address. Again, by clicking on the particular parameter, the information will come up in the box on the right hand side. Using the scroll bar will provide additional information. In the customer calibrations box, there is nothing viewable or adjustable. Please note that system controllers do not have user settable parameters. If there are any questions about this presentation, please contact service@emp-corp.com.